absolutely. Oh. Then every now and then we have to take a drink. Sure. It's refreshing.
Can you get Grayson? Can you get Grayson?
Oh.
Grayson.
Yeah?
Your cousin's talking to you.
Hi, cousin.
He wants you to play with his water bottle with him.
I don't really want to do that.
Wow.
It's pretty
We
amazing.
had moments and moments and moments of fun with this.
Get your Aunt Tammy.
You can get me?
Can you squirt her?
Can you get me?
Who?